I wish I could film your reaction. Oh gosh, I can't put that in the video. Yo, this look like your auntie kinky curly wig.
That hurt my stomach.
This is the results, guys.
Where's that purple coming from?
Because I just had a random pack of purple here.
Oh,
like ombre purple. I just used leftover here because I wasn't gonna buy hair for this. Hey, what's poppin', guys? So I'm back, and today I'm showing you guys how I installed my braidless crochet for the videos about me putting 500 straws or curlers in my hair. So today the hair we'll be using are some random pieces of Kinky here. I always have random stuff, random hair products in my storage. I'm actually mixing different textures, which is a bad idea, but you know, again, I don't have any plans of wearing this hair outside. So we are about to start crocheting. So this is the cap we're using today. I'll leave a link in the description box below for Amazon for you to get ones. Don't even worry about it. So this is how the hair looks cut in half. We're gonna start at the back. Wow, okay, that's kind of harder than I expected it was gonna be. Let's do from the second corner. We'll do that. So I'm just pushing it under like that, and we're gonna hook it through the loop, pull it under the braid, and because we're doing the back, we can just do some lazy big knots like so. You do 2 or 3 like I just did. Okay, this hair was not detangled before I did that. That's how I'm getting this problem. Okay, all right, we're gonna do this over. This is the reality of doing crochet hair, okay? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing it here. So yeah, put it under there, loop it through. You don't have to worry about, hey, you stick yourself back in there, boy. Okay, so you don't have to worry about putting a lot of hair in the back. As a matter of fact, it's better not to put too much. And that's it, and I'm gonna space it out quite a bit. For like this entire portion, like middle and sides, I'm going to be using this technique, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I change it up for the front. I'm back and I want it. Came up from the back to the back. See the invisible knot method? You don't see the knots. On high heat, and I'm gonna just blow it out a little bit to make it a little bit more smooth and easier to work with, and then I'm gonna trim it up, and then we're gonna start curling it. Okay. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. That's how I installed this. So if you'd like to see how I styled it, I guess you'll see the style in the next clip. If it turns out totally ugly, well, shoot, this video is still going up. I don't care. Anyway, the installation process of this is about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how focused you are. I'm never that focused on anything like this, so it took me about an hour and a half, maybe more. I don't know, but if you sit down, like stay still and do it, it'll take you about an hour. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.